You're 25. You've got $3,000 in your checking account, rent due in 5 days, and you just saw a TikTok saying you need $1.7 million to retire. So, what now? Relax. You're not late, yet. But here's the catch. Most people your age are either terrified of money or completely ignoring it. The 401k is your golden parachute, yet most treat it like junk mail. Why? Because no one ever taught us what it really is. Also, is it just me, or does 401k sound more like a robot from Star Wars than a retirement plan? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how a 401k works, why it's your secret weapon, and the one mistake that could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Stick around, because in 8 minutes you'll know more than most 40-year-olds do about retirement. And trust me, future you will thank you. Let's cut through the jargon. A 401k is a retirement savings account offered by your employer. You put in a slice of your paycheck before taxes, and it gets invested in things like stocks and mutual funds. Translation? It's a money-growing machine, a legal cheat code. Think of it like planting a money tree. But the catch is, you can't touch the fruit until you're 59 and a half. Yeah, half, not 59, not 60. Who decided this? Congress, probably on their lunch break. Here's the beauty. Every dollar you contribute is tax deferred. That means you're taxed later, not now, allowing your investments to grow faster. But wait, what if I told you someone might be doubling your money without you even realizing it? Let's talk about the employer match. The biggest financial gift horse no one looks in the mouth. Most companies will match a percentage of what you contribute, usually up to 4 to 6% of your salary. If you earn $50,000 and contribute 5%, that's $2,500 a year. Your company might throw in another $2,500. That's free money, no strings attached, and most people are leaving it on the table. Imagine if your boss walked up to you every month and said, "Here's $200, just for existing." Would you say no? Then why are you ghosting your 401k? But here's the twist. Not all 401 KAs are created equal, and some of them might be working against you. Let's talk about fees, the silent killers of your retirement dreams. Some 401k plans charge hidden administrative and investment fees that can slice your returns by up to 30% over time. That's like investing $1,000 and only getting $700 worth of growth because your plan had an expensive taste in mutual funds. Here's the fix. Look for low-cost index funds in your plan. Compare expense ratios. Aim for anything below 0.5%, and if your company's plan sucks, open an IRA. We'll talk about that in another video. So, what happens if you switch jobs? When you leave your job, you don't leave your 401k behind like that office mug you never washed. You've got options. 1. Leave it where it is if the plan is decent. 2. Roll it over to your new employer's 401k. 3. Move it into an IRA for more control and possibly lower fees. Just don't cash it out, unless you love paying taxes plus a 10% penalty. Ouch. Cashing out your 401k early is like microwaving a pizza for 30 minutes because you were too lazy to preheat the oven. Technically possible, still a terrible idea. But what if you want to retire early, like before 59 and a half? Yes, you can retire early, but you need to be strategic. Enter the rule of 55. If you leave your job at age 55 or older, you can withdraw from your 401k without penalty, or go hybrid contribute to a Roth 401k if offered. You pay taxes now and withdraw tax-free later. Future you? Grinning. Think of Roth like planting seeds in tax soil so your future garden grows tax-free. Pretty wholesome, right? Mix and match. Stack and conquer. Because wealth isn't built in one big move, it's a series of smart little ones, compounded over time. Imagine 60-year-old you sipping coffee on a porch you own outright, not worrying about rent, not worrying about money. That future, it's built right now. You now understand the 401k better than 90% of your peers. But knowing isn't enough. Start contributing. Even 1% of your income. Because every dollar today is worth 10 tomorrow. If you're in your 20s, you have something far more valuable than money, time. So use it. Want to master your money from the very beginning? Tap the end screen and check out my video Personal Finance for high school students. Even if you're past that stage, it's packed with foundational gems most adults miss. This is your move, your future, your 401k. Don't just survive, retire like a legend.